Okay, oh, you go. Go try to find the fish. Find the fish. I think I see a fish. Do you see the fish? Get the fish. What fish did you find? This one. Look. Hi, Mr. Fish. Oh, you found another one. Oh, let's try this one first. Oh, it's a letter. It's letter A and letter M. Oh, and letter O. So many. Oh, let's try this one first. Can we try? Oops. Can we try? Try first. Oh, hold Mr. Fish. Oh, there. Oh, then ma. Together. Ma. Ma. Two sounds, love. Oh, let's see. Ma. Ma. Oh, we need to connect our sounds, You wanna try this one? You wanna try this sound? It goes O. Like this. O. Good. Can we try? O. Mo. Connect the sounds, love. Okay. Oh, you wanna put the fish back in the ocean? Put the fish back in the ocean? Put more fish in the sand. Okay. Let's try. This is a hard sound naman, love. Let's pick easy sounds lang today. Let's do ma, me, mi, mo. First mo. Mo. Okay. You ready? Let's hide the fish. Teacher will hide the fish. You have to... Oh! No! It's going everywhere. The sand is going everywhere. You hide it. You hide. Okay, oh, go. Let's look for a fish. What's that one? Can I see the fish you got? Give fish. Oh, it's letter. Oh, it's letter E. Like Elias. Like this. Oh, look. Look at this. Oh. Dust of hands. Dust of hands. Okay, let's look. Good. Okay. Let's put letter E here so we know we're done. Oh, what's the next sound? Oh, it's E. Look. E. Like this, like you're smiling. E. Good job, E. Okay, you wanna try another sound? Can we try the blue fish? We haven't tried the blue fish yet. Get the blue fish. Get the blue fish. Where is it? Go dig for the blue fish. There. Get the blue fish. Oh no, the blue fish is going down. There, I see it now. Blue fish. Oh, let's see. Oh, it's O. Can we try? O. Borrow hand. O. Right there. No. O. Look at teacher's lips. O. Like this. O. Yeah, that's right. Round mouth. O. Hard pa yung O. Or you can do O. First O. Oh, let's try. O. Oh no! Let's try. Look. O. O. Almost there. O. Ginaya mo naman din yung almost there ko. Oh, you say bye-bye na. See you later. Later.